Arthritis joint pain supplements. Arthritis pain. The pain caused by arthritis is not only excruciating and debilitating but also progressive. If not treated, its intensity keeps on increasing and can make the joint completely immobile. Today you can use the best natural herbs for arthritis pain and stiffness and eliminate the long-term problem. Herbs improve joint mechanisms naturally. These are curative and protective both at the same time. The use of herbs relieves arthritis symptoms and provides quick relief from pain, swelling, and stiffness. On regular use, these provide fast recovery from damages caused by the disorder and bring smoothness in joint movement by making it healthier, more robust, and enduring. In this video, you will know the best natural supplements for arthritis joint pain and inflammation.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app. Make sure you do not miss any health tips. Get email and mobile notifications about upcoming health videos.
Natural supplements. Natural supplements are available in pills and oil form, with multiple herbs added in the right combo. Orthoxil Plus capsules provide the most convenient and safe way to resolve health problems like arthritis without much effort naturally. One gets benefits of anti-inflammatory, pain-relieving, purgatory, immunity-enhancing, anti-aging, and metabolism-enhancing herbs. These herbs collectively check the progression of arthritis and reverse the ill effects to improve joint health and functions on regular use. The best natural herbs for joint pain and stiffness can efficiently handle any arthritis and its symptoms. If you want to know how to get Orthoxil Plus oil and capsules discreetly at home, watch this video until the end. Symptoms of arthritis. The symptoms of arthritis are most common and do not vary much as far as joint problems are concerned. Different forms of arthritis: damage cartilages by causing weakness in bones, muscles, or by causing infection or crystal deposition in synovial fluid. Damaged cartilages allow bones to rub each other on movement and make joints stiff, painful, and even swollen. The best natural herbs for arthritis pain not only stop cartilage damage but rebuild damaged cartilages to make the joint smooth and healthy. The ability to bring cartilages back to pristine health makes herbs the most beneficial treatment for any arthritis. The symptoms of arthritis make victims incapable of sitting straight, working, or walking correctly. These cause morning sickness and make climbing stairs difficult. Severe symptoms of arthritis can cause joint deformity and make them completely immobile. The best natural herbs for arthritis pain protect a victim from these conditions and promote mobility. Natural herbs for arthritis pain. For a more convenient and easy way to cure arthritis pain, use Orthoxil Plus capsules and oil. These supplements are safe for people of any age and provide fast results. All you need to do is consume Orthoxil Plus capsules and massage with this oil twice a day. The best benefit of these supplements is their ability to rebuild damaged cartilages and bring smoothness in joint movement. Orthoxil Plus capsules and oil are the most trusted natural supplements for arthritis joint pain relief. Orthoxil Plus capsules and oil come packed with herbs that collectively relieve symptoms like pain and swelling and promote movement. Antimicrobial herbs present in these pills eliminate infections in synovial fluid and protect joints from damages. These pills are the complete treatment for arthritis pain and stiffness and provide stronger joints. Regular use of these supplements prevents the onset of stiffness, pain, and weakness in joints. World's finest anti-inflammatory supplements.
100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy Orthoxil Plus capsules and oil from naturogain.com.
The product link is given in the video description.
Want more videos like this? Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
If you find this video informative, please give it a like and leave a comment. Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.